Most people get this wrong. They assume cashback cards are all similar, but the PNC Cash Unlimited Visa Signature card stands out for its simplicity and consistent rewards. Today, I'm sharing my full experience so you know if it's right for you. The main perk of this card is unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, every day. Unlike tiered or rotating categories, you don't have to track spending or activate rewards. Everything earns automatically. For example, if you spend $2,000 a month, that's $30 in cash back every month, which adds up quickly over the year. The card also comes with no annual fee, which makes it low risk for those who want rewards without extra costs. PNC offers a welcome bonus for new cardholders too, typically around $100 after spending a few $100s in the first 3 months. That's essentially free money for regular spending. One surprising benefit is PNC's virtual wallet integration. You can manage your card, track rewards, and even set spending goals directly through the app. This makes budgeting and cashback tracking much easier than some competitors. However, there are a few drawbacks. The APR is variable and can be high if you carry a balance, so this card is best for those who pay in full each month. Also, while 1.5% cash back is solid, it's not as high as some specialty cards that offer 3-5% in specific categories, so heavy category spenders might find better options elsewhere. In conclusion, the PNC Cash Unlimited Visa Signature card is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, reliable cashback card with no annual fee and easy to manage rewards. If you pay off your balance monthly, it's a great way to earn rewards without the hassle. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to maximize your cash back and savings.